Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will talk about solenoid valve and filter. The high-end EPS shape molding machine is the Japanese SMC brand solenoid valve and SMC air filter device. Because the EPS shape molding machine requires high-quality compressor air, if there is many impurity or moisture in the compressor air, it will easily cause the damage to the solenoid valve. The role of the filter is to ensure that the compressor air entering into the solenoid valve is filtered and pure, thus extend the lifetime of the solenoid valve and ensure the response speed and the precisely control of the valve's frequently opening and closing accuracy. The SMC filter on this machine does not need to be lubricated. It is self-lubricating. As you can see from the video, the pressure can be adjusted by adjusting the knob clockwise to increase the pressure and counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.